Welcome back, friends. Today I am going to share with you an exciting new feature of Skype. They have recently launched a service called Meet Now. Using Meet Now, you can simply create a meeting link, share the link with up to 50 participants, and join the audio or video call. If you or other people don't have Skype installed, no problem. You would be able to join the meeting using Skype web app. You don't need to have a Skype account either. Just the unique link is enough to access the audio or video conference call. Furthermore, this feature works on any device, so you can join the meeting on your preferred gadgets. So let us see how it works. So open any browser and then go to skype.com. And over here, the products, click on the products, and the first option is Meet Now. Here you can read that it's easy, simply create a meeting link, share the link with participants and join the call. No sign-ups required. If you don't have a Skype installed, we will open Skype for you on the web. Invite up to 50 people to your call and enjoy unlimited free meetings on Skype. Your meeting link does not expire and can be accessed anytime. So, no sign-ups, no downloads, no time limits. So simply what you have to do, come to the right side and under meeting name just type the name of the meeting you want to schedule. So maybe staff meeting, and then click on create a free meeting link. So that's it. This link has been created for your meeting. Just click on the share invite, and you can either click copy the link, or you can send with the WhatsApp, or you can even tweet, or you can send through Outlook or the Gmail. So if you have a list of people to whom you want to send, you may prefer sending through the email or Gmail, whatever email service you are using, or alternately just copy the link and simply go to your Outlook and paste there and send to those participants. Once they will receive the link, they will just click on this link. If they will have Skype installed on their systems or on their mobiles, they would be able to just use that Skype, and this link will open the Skype and will join the meeting, but they will not require any account to sign up, to sign in on the Skype or things like that. If they don't have Skype installed or they don't have Skype account, they will just join the meeting through the browser. So for you can also simply click on this link later, or if your meeting is right now, just click on start call. So when you will click on start call, so it will detect that there is a Skype installed on my system. It is Skype installed, so it is saying that should I open this Skype. If I click on open, it will open my Skype and it will go to the meeting link directly. It will not ask me for username and password and anything else. I can just join as a guest as well, or I can sign in or create account if I want. But for this service, most people will prefer to join as guest. So other people, similarly, the other people will also join the meeting. Like they will just click on the link, and if they will have the Skype installed, it will ask to open the Skype. Otherwise, they will be joined through the web app of the Skype. So up to 50 people can join the Skype, and you can enjoy all the features of the Skype, which includes up to 50 participants, and then you can share the screens. Other people can also share the screen, can present it, and you can record the meeting and things like that. So the feature which you enjoy in the regular Skype, you can enjoy through this easy link option. So I hope this video will help you. during this lockdown and the COVID-19 situation. So if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you get the information of the new video as soon as it is published. Thank you very much for watching.